Hey guys, so today I need to make me some breakfasts to have during the week because I've just been kind of eating nutty bars for breakfast and I kind of want a little more variety. So I'm gonna make me some breakfasts, a couple of different things, and come along with me and see what we make. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to make is just some pancakes with sausage links in them. The reason I love using pancake mix is you don't have to actually measure anything. So I'm gonna get my big measuring cup there. And let's see. Yeah, they don't even usually put eggs in these. Sometimes I put eggs in mine, sometimes I don't. I don't think I'm going to this time. So I'm just gonna pour all of this in here. And these go to, well, you say 375 for the griddle, so we'll just pretend we'll do 375 for the other two. I'm going to be doing these in muffin tins. So I have big muffins and I have mini muffins, and I'm actually going to use the mini muffins for these. And I'll use the big muffins for something else. So now I'm just going to pour almond milk in here until it looks like the right consistency. It's already looking pretty much correct. How did I manage that? I'm just gonna make sure I got everything in. I am actually gonna put these, I'm actually gonna cook these like this so that way they'll all fit on the same tray. Alright, so I'm gonna give these a really good spray. This spray is actually almost dead, so yep, I had just enough. So now I'm just going to fill these almost all the way full, but not quite. And you're wanting to be difficult, and I don't particularly like that. Oh my gosh, if I have just enough, I will be shocked. I'll find me some that I filled a little fuller than others. Just pull some out to fill this other one in. Now I'm going to put just a little drop of syrup in each of these. And then I'm just going to do another thing of biscuits. Oh look, these even need to go to 375 just like we had it. So now I have my new spray because my other one was done. And I'm just going to throw these on here. There we go. Put all this in the oven, and I'm going to probably just bake it for the amount of time that these say. And I'm just going to put a half of one of these in each of these things. Stick these in the oven. For 11 to 15 minutes. So to me, that means 12 minutes. So these actually have been here about 30 minutes. After the 12 minutes were up, the pancakes aren't really brown, but the biscuits look done. So I did my oven cool down method and I've just left them in there. I'm gonna pull them out and see if they're brown on the bottom. Just get me a spoon and check underneath. They could be a little more done. Let's taste them. Here's one from this batch. So yeah, it is done. I think I'm just gonna take the biscuits off and put these back in the oven. All right, the oven's mostly cooled down, so I am gonna turn it back on. As soon as it tells me it's up at 350, then I will go ahead and turn it back off and let these continue to sit in there, just so they kind of dry out a little bit. The oven is off, and these are still in here. It's still kind of warm in there. But they should have dried completely out by now. So let's give these a look. Oh yeah. They look a lot better. So I'm just gonna get one of my racks here. So I'm just gonna pull these out and I'm gonna flip them upside down so that, because I have a feeling that's that syrup that's on the bottom. Actually, no, I changed my mind. I'm gonna put them top up because I don't want the top to not be crisp anymore. So I'm just gonna pull all these out. And once they are completely cooled, I will put them in individual bags in about, you know, 3 or 4 in a bag, however many I want for breakfast each day. And then I can just pull out that one bag and reheat them. I don't know why, but this smaller pan always seems to be more non-stick than the big one. They're made by the same companies. I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna let those kind of dry out. They're pretty cool right now, but I'm just gonna let them dry out. And then I will put them up. Give these a taste. It's so good. I hope y'all enjoyed all of that. Y'all have a fabulous day. Keep on loving the real world. Bye.